I'm so glad that you're here. This is a meditation about coming home and returning to yourself. Take this moment to just settle in. If you've been away from practice for a while, this is simply an invitation to arrive. There's nothing to achieve. Just returning. Please begin by finding a position that feels supportive to you right now. You don't need perfect posture, just enough comfort to be here. And before we do anything else, notice that you already made it here. You're already returning. Please allow your body to settle naturally. You may feel the weight of yourself being held, maybe by a chair, a cushion or a couch, or the floor beneath you. Just notice the points of contact, the pressure, the temperature. The simple fact of being here in a body. You don't need to relax perfectly. Just notice what's true right now. Maybe heaviness, maybe restlessness, maybe tiredness. Whatever is here, let it belong, even for this moment. You may take one slower breath in and a longer breath out. Breathing in gently and exhaling softly. Now, let the breath return to its natural rhythm. No need to control it. Just noticing that breathing is already happening. Your body knows how to breathe. Find one place where the breath feels easier to notice. It could be your nose, the chest, the belly, and then rest your attention there lightly. When the mind wanders, because this is what minds do, simply just notice that too. The moment where you realize that you have drifted, that is the moment of mindfulness. not the perfect focus. It's the return. If by chance you feel like something has gone wrong, please know that you can't fail at meditation. If you can come back and return to your breath or the point of anchor, then you are doing meditation. And if anxiety is here or restlessness, there is no need to push it away. You also don't need to dive in it. If you can, just let it exist beside the breath for now, breathing with it, not fighting it. Now, gently widen your awareness while still being connected to the breath. Try to notice the space around you. There may be sounds in the room you're in. There might be a feeling of air on your skin. Let all of this arrive together. You have been here before, even if it's a long time. Something in you remembers this. Returning is not starting over. You are meeting yourself again. And maybe this is enough for today. This one moment of just being here. Let in a deeper inhale and a slower exhale. Now, begin gently bringing awareness back toward the room. Sounds around you. The edges of your body being here. Whenever you're ready, you may choose to make small movements in your fingers or your toes. And whenever you are ready, you may slowly open your eyes if they were closed. This is the practice, not the perfect meditation. It's the returning again and again. Just this. Just notice. That's the yes. Thank you for taking the time and meditating today. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.